morning, I'm Joyce, and welcome to WMC Book Club. Together with me are Achi, Amy, and of course in our Zoom, TJ, and we will be doing now our year starter for the year 2024. But this time we will gonna have a different setup. So it's gonna be a recap for our six discussion, five books and one movie. So later on we will tell you about the books we've read and we've discussed for 2024. And now I'll pass on 2023 before we start our 2024 with our book sessions. Now I'll give the floor to TJ so she could start with our session. Go, TJ.
Thank you, Joyce. Hello, ladies. Hello to everybody who is
Hello
listening
from
to us
San
today.
Pablo.
Yun na nga, I was just going to tell them that this is actually the first time we're doing a hybrid setup. The three of them are joining us live in San Pablo, Laguna. Unfortunately, I could not join them. I'm here in Cavite. But nonetheless, here we are, the power of technology. We're able to get into Zoom for us to get together and share with you guys our insights about the books and movies that we've covered for 2023. Sabi nga nila, the best way for us to move forward is to take a look back muna. Just to give everybody a recap of the books that we've read for 2023. So we read the first book that we covered was The Boy, the Mole, the Fox, and the Horse, followed by The Alchemist, and then The Power of Now, Who Moved My Cheese, Start With Why, and the movie A Man Called Otto. If you guys would like to listen to our discussions about those books, please go ahead and check us out on all of our social media platforms, either on our Facebook page or on our YouTube channel. So ayun na, makakain na yung mga kumari ko, pwede na kaming mag-usap. Yun na nga. O sige, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. First question. Siguro round table na lang muna tayo. Let us know, let our audience know which among those six that we've discussed so far really had the strongest impact to you that you think you'd apply for 2024. O mauna na muna yun nandiyan sa mga nasa San Pablo.
Mauna ang host natin.
Mauna muna yung host natin. Ayan. Thank you, Amy, for always hosting our face-to-face meetup.
So thank you for waiting for me, no? So may mga medical circumstance na nangyari, no? So I'm glad that Achi and Joyce is here. And I miss you, TJ, but nonetheless, you're here in the Zoom. So for me, the most powerful book that we discussed is The Power of Now. So because of that book, nabawasan ng I think malaki yung mga kadramahan ko sa buhay. So yung aking pagiging iyak, ganun kasi I was like that. And I have the story in my head. I already have a book of each and every circumstance that happened in my life. So The Power of Now is a wake-up call. I applied it in my family, with my son, with everybody in my family and in my personal life. So I'm blessed to be here in this na meron tayong ganitong book club because I'm learning more when we discuss the book kesa ako lang yung nagbabasa. Syempre, iba yung internalization mo, and when you hear it from other people and how they interpret it, so mas nagiging malinaw, and mas nababalidate yung learnings. So The Power of Now, I think I'm a better person now because of that book. So yeah, sobrang laking bawas nung aking pagiging dramatic. I'm overly dramatic. So it in a good way. So 'di ba, yung drama naman it's just there. But in a good way, I think I'm a better person because of that book. So yon.
Definitely. That's nice. So that's nice to hear that a book can actually do that to us. A lot of people are wanting to get into their reading habit, but they've come up with a lot of reasons not to get started. Then hopefully you guys, hearing from or sharing there is that such power when it comes to, reading books. It's not just, like a pastime or whatsoever. Imagine that, these books, they were proofread before they were actually even published. So there's fact in them, and then you can actually apply them. So thank you very much, Amy. No, also, dito nga sa book club, no, sineselebrate natin yung individuality. Kung if you're overly dramatic, okay lang yun. Basta
Yes.
lagi naman natin sinasabi, nasa lugar tayo, and we're not hurting anybody, we still celebrate that. Thank you, Amy. So para
Titulo pa rin ang
palitan, no?
pagiging drama queen. Titulo pa rin ang
Oo.
pagiging drama queen. So, okay.
Oo, tuloy pa din yan. Kasi di ba that's what makes you unique, sabi nga natin. Just like here in the WMC, we don't discriminate or select na puro lang Sun Lifers. We welcome anybody who'd like to join us, who share the same interests as reading books or watching movies. Please join us. So yun na, para palit-palitan. No? Sige, sa Cavite naman ang mag-share. Baka may bias yung sasabihan ko, no? Kasi ako nag-recommend itong book na to. I told you guys that my favorite book of all time is The Alchemist. I recommended that in the book club that we read. That I really literally grew up with that book na paulit-ulit ko talaga siyang binabasa. Kasi palagi kong nakakalimutan yung pinakamagandang learning dun sa book na yun. Masabi sa book, no, if you want something, if you truly want something, the universe will conspire to make it happen for you. The problem kasi sa atin, no, we start the year. Right now, no, we're February na. At the start of the year, we write our resolutions, we write our goals, but then minsan kasi parang ang dami-daming nangyayari, no, na ikaw nade-discourage ka na. When in fact, no, nasa sa atin talaga yun eh. For as long as we still believe that whatever it is that we want can still happen for us, kaya pa din, no? Pwede pa ding mangyari. Kagaya ng journey ni Santiago in that book, no? In his quest talaga, he withstood everything and finally, no, that happened for him. So, kahit na bias, dahil favorite book ko yun, of all that we've read, yun pa din yung pinaka gusto ko. Dadagdagan ko na yung pangalawa, gustong-gusto ko din yung A Man Called Otto. Or, di ba, na I think tayo dito, tayong apat nga, no? Parang we enjoy our alone time. We can stand on our own. We can operate parang may sarili tayong mundo. Eh, di ba, parang we enjoy that. Kaya lang, para dun sa maliit na mundo natin na yun, it's also nice na kahit na nagkukulong tayo dun sa mundo natin na yun, huwag din natin kalimutan na may mga tao pa din na nasa paligid natin who wants to share our world with us and who wants us to be a part of their world. And they will play important roles in our lives, if we only allow them. So, yun yung dalawang hindi ko makakalimutan. And hindi ko alam kung gano'n na ba ako, hindi na ba ako magiging aloof in 2024? Parang gano'n na yata talaga ako built, no? Hindi ko alam. But, I think yung lesson dun sa akin is to really be more, how would I say this? To really be more open or accepting na, even if I enjoy my solitude, even if I enjoy being alone, it's nice for them to be in good company or to welcome people into my world. Then maloka na lang sila in my world, di ba? And that's that for me. So how about you, Joyce? Which one was your favorite?
Actually, dadamihan ko din entry mo kasi nag-level up yung entry mo. You move to
Para it's a tie. Yes.
Yeah. First, Power of Now also. So, it woke me up in the sense na now, today, is the only thing I can control. So, parang nandun ako sa, I've been so busy working on my future, my dreams, pero si parang Eckhart, he reminded me na, wait lang, wala pa yon. What you can do is now. What you can control is now. You can do whatever will happen in the future now has something to do with it. So, yun yung teachings naman sa akin na I'm trying to be consistent because I admit nalulose track ako doon. But at the same time, while I'm doing something good and consciously parang ginagawa ko siyang better as much as I can. And I can control myself. Here comes A Man Called Otto. Na there are a lot of people also from outside or my environment who can do something Kumbaga para sa akin, they can help me to be better. While I can do something now for myself to be good, to be at my best, but at the same time, it will become very beautiful because of the people around me and the circumstances around me unless I open that mind. Kumbaga, hindi lang naman ako on my current situation or now. So, dalawa yon. But at the same time, here comes linchpin. The third lesson
Wait,
talaga.
linchpin is for after this.
Okay. So, but there's a lesson also na I adopted. But last year, it's just two also. Power of Now and The Man Called Otto. It's bugging me
Yan,
actually si Otto, yeah. Hanggang ngayon.
oo nga.
Okay. Each time na, kasi it's so easy to pinpoint na dun sa mga distractions, sa mga nakaka-stress, lalo na. But Eckhart also reminding me na, wait lang, while I'm focusing on that, these people also can make something beautiful or parang ang perspective ko naiiba rather than focusing on these people na nagko-cause me stress. I just need to go through it because it's teaching me a lesson or that's something that I needed to learn from para I can be a better person. So yun for me.
Yan, thank you so much, Joyce. Nasabay tayong mag-try maging open. I think yun nga, no? A lot of the times kasi, when we're so comfortable now with how we're built, alam mo yun, parang for the longest time, like in my case, I'm 44 years old. So parang in 44 years of my existence, parang yung feeling mo yun na that's how you're built na. Sometimes when you wanna try to be open to these learnings, parang ang hirap pang i-let go. No, but then the good thing is that I think napag-usapan natin the other day, because we're at that age now, we've grown, we're more mature, that we can be more open. So, ayan. So, overly drama queen, ano ba tawag sa ating dalawa? To be open queen, ganun ba yan? Oh, siya, to our mother queen. Oh, actually, Janet, yan, segue. Oh, let us know which one resonated to you the most of all the books that we've read.
Hinuhuli nyo talaga ang senior, no?
O hindi, yung mother queen nga.
Okay, well, again, just like you, TJ, I might be biased because I am the one who recommended this book. It's Simon Sinek's Start With Why. Well, the reason why I wanted us to read and discuss his book is because early 2023, after what, 5, 6 years of trying to write down, and establish my why, finally I got to do it early 2023. And it's a whole different kind of excitement for me kasi my why can be applied not only sa profession natin, but also in my personal life, my family, my relationships with other people, no? So, nakakatuwa kasi I never thought I would be able to write it down. I mean, imagine 5, 6 years of soul searching, of trying to write something down, and then having my mentor tell me na, Janet, this is not a why. You go back to the drawing board and search deep inside your soul again for a why, no? Kasi hindi ito ang why. Meron kasing very specifics si Simon Sinek for your why to be established as why, no? So ang why ko is I envision a world where people would live with peace of mind, knowing that their um, their basic needs are taken care of. And basic needs nowadays is not limited to food, shelter, and water. Basic needs nowadays involves relationship, good relationships, healthcare, security, even if it's inside your own home, no? Mental wellness, no? Napakaraming kailangan na basic needs nowadays. Now, I might not be able to see that happen, not in my lifetime, no? Pero it's good to know that what I am doing today, whether it's in my profession, my relationship with friends, no, or within my family, I'm taking that extra step to make the world a better place, to get to where I want to see it to be in the future. Now, that and ako rin makikisali ako sa bandwagon na I have another favorite, no? And it's the simplest book that we read, no? In fact, it's a children's novel, no? So it's The Boy, the Mole, the Fox, and the Horse. Tama ba yung pag-enumerate ko ng barkada? Tama, na? Okay. Doon ako nalilito, na-jumble up sila eh. So, you know, it made me realize and affirmed my belief. And maybe because I am, a bit older than you are, I could say, I don't know, more life experiences, mas maraming pinagdaanan. I don't know. Pero, or maybe it's just age, no? Na umabot na ako sa point ng life ko na I want to make it simple for myself and for the people that I am surrounded with, for the people that I love, the people who matters to me the most, no? And yung punot dulo nung book na yon is about empathy. And I think this started a few years ago na parang unti-unti kong natututunan yung empathy, the real kind of empathy, not just sympathy, no? To put myself in the shoes of the other person and try to see myself if I am to live as that person, no? And it's just not worth it to make life so complicated for yourself or for other people. What matters is your relationship with the people. Well, in my case, my relationship with the people who matter to me the most. We're okay. We're good. Hindi naiiwasan ang minsan may alitan, may di pagkakaintindihan. What's important is, what do you both do after that? Do you just sweep it under the rug and forget about it, and then later on uungkatan kayo ng nakaraan? Or do you talk it over? And do you both say, I'm sorry? I'm sorry that I did this to hurt you, or I'm sorry that I said this and I hurt you. And you hug and you forgive and you forget. Ganun lang kasimple ang buhay dapat, no? It's just that because of everything that we are surrounded today, life gets a bit complicated. Yun.
That's
Napag-usapan nga
true.
namin ni Joyce while driving here about death, no? At a very early stage in my children's life, I started talking to them about my wishes after I die. I want to be cremated, and then they said they wanted some of my ashes to make into necklaces, and then I told them the rest of it, I'll just decide later on kung saan nyo ikakalat. Pero you don't need to follow tradition na kailangan ilibing pa ako, or kailangan sa may space pa ako sa anong tawag doon, mga oo, na kailangan dalawin niyo pa ako every November 1. Sabi ko, by that time, hindi ko na alam yan. So, it wouldn't matter to me. What would matter to me is today, that I spend my time with people who matter to me. Diba? Just like this. Yon. So that's mine.
Thank you very much, Achi. O, di ba?
Pa-
Napaka-apt
Powerful
ng
naman
description
nun.
ko, di ba? No?
Kasi si Achi sa katabi ko, napapatingin ako.
True.
You
Di ba?
know,
O, yung description ko, di ba? Mother Queen talaga. No?
Correct.
and
Perfect
Siya
for
yun
the type.
actually,
talaga.
parang nasabi ko na, when we discuss in Zoom, syempre na-feel ko yung presence ni Achi. Pero iba pa yung pagka-live.
Oo.
Napapatingin talaga ako ganon. Kasi, syempre, iba yung, alam mo yun, parang dito sa katabi mo, saying those words, sabi, oo nga. Lagi tayo, pag nagbubuklab, oo nga, no, oo nga. Pero ang dami natututunan, pero pagka yung live na, parang may
Including the hand gesture and the ano.
Napapatingin ako ng ganun eh. Oh, napapaganon ako.
Sana
So,
hindi kami
yun. Ayan.
Na-starstruck ka pa din ba, Amy? Baka si Joyce
Actually,
na-starstruck pa din.
every
Na first time
time,
niya yatang na-meet si Achi.
every time na magsasalita si Achi, full of wisdom. Talaga. Ako, I'm so happy. Yung fellowship ng book club, I'm learning a lot. So, yun yung sa akin, I'm so blessed. Sabi ko nga kay Achi, thank you for always doing this. Kasi minsan, di ba, we are making time, sobrang busy natin. And I know she's so busy with a lot of things, but her making time to host the book club, it's a blessing to everybody. So, yun.
To add also, I really encourage everyone to join the book club because I just been active with the book club last year. So parang the recap is like me relating also the entire year of being in the book club. Na aside from me pushing myself reading books, yun lang nga na you get a different perspective on a different reader apart from my reflection also on the book helped me a lot. Saka I've gained friends,
Yeah.
'di ba, sa book club. So hopefully you can join us too para it's a good community here. It's a different support system. Each time like now, first time namin mag-meet ni
Yeah, in
Amy.
person.
And then, I'm surprised na, hindi na lang book. Hindi na lang book yung pinag-uusapan, but it's personal. Though, I'm not gonna go there deeply. Pero, it's fun. It's fun in book club. So, hopefully, encouraging everyone, especially the WMC graduate na, yeah, join us.
Thank you very much. Oh my gosh, parang nainggit tuloy ako na wala ako dyan. Teka muna, makapunta nga muna dyan. Anyway, just like what they said, no, ang ganda ng mga ginamit nilang words to describe our group. No, it really all started with our shared interest that we're all, WMC graduates. And then eventually, I think sinabi din to ni Attorney Leo Cabrera last year na napansin niya yun with the book club, no? Na dati nga talaga, no? Ganon, parang ang shared interest natin would be like yung wealth management. And then because of the book club, parang we grew together. We discovered that we have more shared interests. Tapos today, narinig ko yung words na fellowship, friends, o ang pinakamaganda sa lahat, magkukumare. So kung yun ang mga hinahanap nyo, again, the only requirement is that you guys are a member of the WMC community. You're more than welcome to join us. Before we close the session, again, congratulations to you, Achi. No, hindi pa namin siya na-congratulate officially. It's such a milestone to be able to finally figure out your why. No, parang lahat naman tayo. Di ba, no, parang lahat naman tayo, parang dumadating tayo sa point natin na paano ba yun, we're lost or in a state of trance or na, parang iniisip na natin, ano nga ba yung purpose natin sa buhay natin? And our days revolve around trying to figure that out. I think that's when it becomes complicated. Don't you think, Achi? No, when we're trying so hard to figure it out, rather than the journey that she went through, she just really went with the flow. There were people, sabi nga sa interview ko sa kanya, no, that actually helped her figure out her why. Congratulations to you, Achi. We're always, always very, very proud of you, our mother queen and the chairman of the book club, as we put it. If you guys want to if you guys want to learn about, her journey, you guys can go to Achi Janet Nang's official page so that you guys can watch the interview that we did together, sharing that part of her life. We shot that, a few days before her birthday. All right. To put the twist into, our discussion for today, out of the 5 books and 1 movie that we reviewed for 2023, I'd like to ask you guys to pick one, as in one lang talaga, no? One that you'd recommend to someone. That someone, hindi nyo dapat family member, outside of your family member. Pick one book and that one person that you'd like to recommend that book or movie, and then why. Oh,
Yung name?
oo, yung host na.
Yung name dropping?
Oo, oo. Oh, si Joyce na lang. O siya, pero may pahirapan natin si
Thinking
Joyce.
of
Ako.
Oh, ayan, si Achi na lang.
Ako talaga, it start with why. Kasi, ngayon, especially now that I had it written down, my why, my world, whatever I do, however I decide on things, doon nanggagaling sa why ko. No? If I get invited to serve in a committee, obviously, when you get invited, you can turn it down. So I can easily decide whether I want to accept or turn it down based on how my why applies to that committee, what the committee is doing. Relationships also. Kapag ang relationship ko sa isang tao, hindi tumutugma sa why ko, hindi nakakatulong sa iba or hindi recently I realized that some bridges are meant to be, 'di ba? So may ganun pa, no? So kanino ko siya gustong i-recommend? Well, sabi mo nga bawal sa mga family members. Bawal din ba sa kapwa book club members?
Pwede. Para maiba lang, bawal
Pwede.
naman sa family members. Kasi naalala ko, parang lagi nating sa mga family members nire-recommend eh. So, palawakin natin yung mundo natin. Yan.
Oo. No one particular person, but I would want all WMC graduates, alumni, to be able to read it. Kasi ang laking tulong din sa profession natin eh. Ang laking tulong sa career path ko, how I decide on how I want to move forward with my career. So I'd encourage all WC alumni to pick up a copy, read through the pages. And mind you, I did not read the book only once. When we read it as a book club, it was, I think, my 3rd or 4th time to pick up that book and scan through the pages. So, napakarami ng sulat ng libro ko. So, as to why I want our alumni to read it, kasi it's a lot of self-discovery also eh. 'Di ba? Self-discovery, self-awareness, no? And ang laking tulong niya for you to move forward in your career. Ayan.
Ako naman ang next.
Oh, ready.
So, I
Yan,
think
identify
ako,
agad. Okay, G.
yeah, so ako, for me, start with why. I will read it again because it's a process. Sabi nga ni Achi, no, she read it 3 times nung discuss natin. And I want to read it again and again until I find my why. So, kaya hindi naman siya yung super favorite ko kasi nga, iba naman yung impact sa akin ni parang Eckhart. But yeah, kasi I thought nung nag-book club tayo, na-discover ko yung why ko, and then Achi made me realize hindi pa talaga siya. So, yun yung gusto kong i-discover more into deep read it again. And meron kasing next na book din si Simon na we will discuss in the future. So, I think napakagandang combination ng dalawang book na yon so that masimulan talaga natin yung process. And of course, yeah, the same with Achi, for our business and for our fellow advisors and WMC alumni and those people who are simply looking for the purpose in their lives. So basahin nila yung start with the why and then power of now for yourself so that you can enjoy life. When you realize that you only have today, you have no regrets in the you have no regrets in life because all you have is now and you will enjoy every every time that you have today like now. So I'm so blessed that they drive so far to be here and TJ for the biko that you sent us. So sobrang appreciate ko talaga and siguro kaya hindi natuloy yung mga previous meetings na hindi tayo marami. Kasi hinintay niyo talaga ako.
Oo
So I'm so
naman.
happy, no, na 'di ba, we have now to have this time together. So even wala ka dito presently TJ, but you are in the Zoom. So I appreciate this time that we have right now. So yun, Joyce.
Ako noted, Achi, as a WMC graduate. I will read again the start with why. Um, but personally, man called Otto, to have that openness na everything's not about me or everything is not about you. These people or events are given to me or blessed to me or to us because it's either teaching us a lesson or they have contribution to my growth or to me as a person towards others also. So yun naman ang masasabi ko na I can strongly recommend. But then, like I said, I joined the book club because nga hindi talaga ako book reader. Kaya siguro yun pa rin ang tumatak sa akin kasi movie siya, 'di ba, we watch. But then though I embrace it kasi I joined the session, I force myself to read kahit hindi ko siya ine-enjoy yung mga books natin. But it's a progress for me. So nababasa ko siya, I was able to join the discussion. But then to a certain person I would recommend, siguro unahin ko muna sarili ko. Pwede naman yun, actually, di ba? Me first, kasi each book, I have my own reflection also, and interpretation. But at the same time, this year, I promise na I will recommend din yung Tao of Po. Because like what Achi said, baka kaya nahihirapan ako or nahihirapan yung iba kasi hindi simple ang tinatahak or hindi sinisimplify na pwede naman, 'di ba? Tayo kasi gusto natin ng nahihirapan talaga. Gusto natin challenge tayo pero end up nagwo-walling tayo because it's too much. But we can take the simpler path, the simplest path. So it could be easier for us na yun pala yung best path pala sa atin. So hindi talaga family member.
Bawal,
Hindi
bawal
family
sabihin natin pag
member.
recommend sa
I
family
can think
member.
of any, kasi family so far ang naiisip ko ngayon. Pero kung sa mga person, kung si Achi sa graduates, sa akin naman yung mga magjo-join ng WMC, yung mag-e-enroll ng ating certification because 'di ba, we can ask them to join hindi lang basta book club pero apart from the certificate that they'll be gaining, there's another wonderful world inside the WMC. So yun para sa akin. It's an added value apart from the certification and the lessons we will be getting from Attorney Leo, from Sir Jong, from Sir Ricky, and also sa mga leaders natin inside the WMC.
Yeah, very good discussion, mga mare. Mukhang namumuro din si paring Simon. Because the book that I'd recommend is also going to be Start With Why. It is also the book that I'm going to reread again this year. And may iba naman ako sa inyo, no? I'd recommend it to a specific person, to my advisor, who's also a close friend of mine, no, to get, much like any other millennials or Gen Zs, nandoon kasi sila sa stage that, that they really wanna pursue like 10 million things at one time, that it overwhelms them. And alam mo yun, na minsan nga talaga na-overwhelm sila na yung quest to figure out your why, your purpose, in my case, yun na nga, no, in my case, same with the three of you girls, no, na si paring Simon pa din, ang nanalo. It is going to be the book that I'm going to recommend, and it's also going to be the same book that I will reread this 2024. Nakakatuwa nga talaga, no, parang kapag nahanap mo na nga talaga yung why mo. And I think that book also teaches us na huwag kang magmadali. Kasi hindi naman siya instant na mahahanap mo kung ano yung why mo. It really is a journey and hindi mo siya mahahanap na mag-isa lang. Minsan iniisip mo na ikaw lang dapat yung mag-figure out kung ano yung why mo. No, but most of the time, there will really be people around who's going to help you. And the person I'm going to recommend that book would be, you know, my advisor and my close friend. Naging friend ko muna siya before niya ako naging advisor, before niya ako naging unit manager. Pineda has also been watching our recording. I've also invited them to join the course too. Girl, just like Ke and many other millennials and Gen Zs, nandoon sila, iba, I think iba kasi ngayon yung landscape ng mundo kaysa dun sa mundo natin, mga tita nila, na sila, they want to pursue like 10 million different things at one time, that it really overwhelms them. Kaya it's easy to be derailed, to be distracted, to be discouraged. But, you know, that book, you know, to Yuge is a reminder that yung why talaga natin, it will come. It may come later, it may come sooner, but it will definitely come. And while you're still trying to figure out your why, just really enjoy that process and be more open, you know, to having more, be more open to, you know, the people around you para lumaki din yung mundo mo. And join the WMC Book Club. So yun na yung sasabihin ko sa'yo para magkaroon kami ng ng voice din dito, no, sa book club. Kasi puro girls na tayo. Anyway, how was it, you guys? Did you enjoy our session?
Super enjoy. So thank you for
As
hosting.
always, as
Yeah.
always.
Oo nga. You know, and that's it for us, everybody. Again, I'd like to congratulate everybody for a really great 2023. This is our first time doing a hybrid session. The three of them live in San Pablo, Laguna. I'm here in Imus, Cavite. We are, sabi nga ni Amy kanina, no, we have now, but we also have together. Thanks, everybody. Have a great week. We'll see you again next time. Bye, girls.
Bye.